Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We have completed the design part in our previous video. So you can see that I have changed something. So as I mentioned earlier that you just have to play with CSS to actually look better. So now this is the design. If you need code, you can contact with us. You can contact through social media, okay? Social platform. So we have completed the design, right? Now let's go for the backend. So here in the index.php we have to fetch all the data, right? So at the top I will paste here everything and I will say here question mark php. Okay, sorry, I have to write syntax like this, and here I need to fetch all the data from the from the database table menu items, right? So these are dummy text actually, so I have to go for the menu items. So I will say localhost / block php myadmin. All right, php myadmin. So here you can see I have run here a for loop. Why? Because I want to show the dummy text in 10 times, so that is the reason actually why I have right here. So now actually I want to remove this. Why? Because actually want to fetch all the items are available in the database table, okay? So let's go here, and here you can see our database name is restaurant_db, and here we have a table menu items, and inside the menu items we just only have two data. I mean two product, or what can I say, two items, right? So let's fetch them, and I will go at the top in the index.php file, and here I will say that I want to include connection at first. So I will say db.php, and what I need a query. So I have to write here SQL, and I want to write here query select star. Means I want to fetch all, select all from the table. The table name is menu items. Okay, so I got everything here, and now I need to execute the query. So I will say here result is equal to MySQL query function, and here we will pass two parameter. One is connection and another one is $SQL. Now our result will be executed successfully, and if not, we will actually fetch error. So I will say if not $result, I will say that echo error. Here I'm going to paste or show the error. Otherwise, else we'll actually do other things. So here I will go here at the body, and here before the card you can see this is the div. Actually I'm going to I'm fetching all the values, right? So here actually I'm going to write a while loop. Why? Because in our table we have multiple data, right? You can see, and we need to fetch them as associative array. Why? Because we need to know we need to access them through the column name. So we know that in associative array we can actually fetch through column name, right? Okay, so as you can see we have multiple data, so we need to use while loop. So now I have to write here PHP script at first, and I have to write here while loop, while. Okay, so in the condition I have to give that, okay, I need a variable $row, and I want to fetch my result as associative array. So this is the function my SQL I fetch assoc, and I want to actually access the result here. So this is the result variable. I want to copy it and I want to paste it inside the parameter. Okay, so it will actually take all the data as associative array, and it will actually keep inside row variable. So the while loop will execute every single row in my table. So as you can see we have two row. All right, so it will actually count two times. If we have multiple row, let's say 15 13, so it will actually count 15 times. Okay, so that's actually I have right here while loop, And now I need to just remove it because I want to show all the data here. So I have to remove the closing part, and I have to write once again the closing part here, PHP question mark, and here. So you can see we have done it. And now in the image you can see I am fetching the data from the image table. So here I just have to mention PHP echo. So I will say here question mark PHP script like this, and here I will echo what? The $row column name. The column name is image. If I go here, you can see the column name is image. What I need image, and I have image in my image folder. All right, and I have fetched the image name from the database. So I will actually check that, okay, so this is the image and actually I want to show it. So PHP echo row and then column name, because it is associative array. All right, so we can actually access through column name, not we don't have to access through index number. All right, so here so this is the title, okay, product title or item name. So here you can see we have name, item name. So let me just copy it, and here actually I'm going to paste it. So this is the item name, so the column would be name, and this is the description. So I will paste here and I will say that, okay, item item price and category, right? So here I will say the column name, and the column name will be price, right? Yeah, price. Nice. And we need one more column, so let me just copy it. And actually I don't need to know the category here. I mean, I don't need to fetch the category. All right, okay. So now let's check how it's look like. So let's go to the browser and refresh. Here you can see we have a syntax error, and that is in 128th line. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have to close it here also. Now it will work properly. Okay, so as you can see we have two items, and in one item actually we have added it inside it was dummy text, right? And that time actually we didn't add image here. As you can see, it's a dummy text. So that's why actually it cannot actually fetch image, because we have only one image. So yeah, that is the reason. So actually I will change it during when the admin will actually update the image. So I will actually, that is the reason actually I haven't deleted it, okay, because I want it will be updated through admin, okay, or by admin. So this is the page. You can go to the login page also, you can go to the registration page also. All right, so it's working. And now actually in our next video we will work with dashboard, okay, I mean where it will actually go when somebody click on dashboard. And I will actually give here condition that, okay, I need login and registration button only when the people actually are not logged in. If they logged in, then we actually don't want to show these two item here, okay, I mean two link here. Only they can actually show the dashboard, I mean see the dashboard, okay. So we'll actually do it in the next video. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.